Hey, what's up guys? This is MJ100K and today I'm going to do an unboxing and a time test for the Milwaukee M12 Compact Inflator. As usual, I am not sponsored and there are no links in the description. The only link is to my toolbox heart. So this Milwaukee M12 Inflator is supposed to be able to top off a car tire in under 1 minute. I'm going to test it, time it, and see if that's true. So here are some other quick stats about this tool. Without the battery, it weighs in at just over 3 pounds. It has a 26-inch hose and it comes with 4 different attachments. So that's enough jibber jabber. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Then I'm going to do 2 tests. The first one's going to see how long it takes to add 5 psi to a tire. And then the second one, I'm going to see how long it takes to add 10 psi to a tire. Let's take this thing out of the box. Over here. Here we go. Here it is. All right. Here, let me show y'all. Looks all right. Oh, here's the. Oh, all right. So they keep the attachments back here. Okay. The battery goes in here. All right, well, let's check it out. Let's go ahead and use this thing. All right, well, I think it worked pretty awesome. I like these little isolators at the bottom. They kind of keep it from vibrating all over the place, so they keep it in place. I like that. Yeah, this thing definitely exceeded expectations. It definitely topped the tires off in under 1 minute. It did really well. I'm really impressed with it. It's really lightweight. I like it. I like it a lot. It's probably a good Christmas present, just in case one of your loved ones needs to fill up their tire in the middle of the night. A couple of things I noticed in the directions. If you need to reset it, the pressure to 0, like if you're in a different altitude than you normally are, you can reset the pressure to 0 by holding the power button and pressing the plus button 3 times. That'll reset the pressure to 0 in case you need to do that. There's a couple other warnings in here. They said don't carry it by the cord like this. Yeah, really. Well, thanks for that revelation, Milwaukee. But I guess you got to put stuff like that in here because people will do all types of crazy things. Oh, and here's one. Allow the tool to cool for 10 minutes after each 10 minutes of continuous use. So if you got a really low tire and you have to use this for over 10 minutes, you definitely want to let it cool off for 10 minutes and then go ahead and continue. All right, well, anyway, I'm definitely very happy with it. Milwaukee is really doing a good job in making tools recently. Whatever they're doing, keep doing it. I like all these Milwaukee tools I have purchased recently. And yeah, I mean, you could buy them if you want. I'm not getting any money from it, so it doesn't matter to me. So yeah, I do like this tool. I think it works pretty good, and I'm going to leave it in my trunk. You want to make sure to charge the battery every so often because all batteries will naturally dissipate their power over time. So if you keep this in your trunk, be sure to charge the battery once in a while. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and have a good one.